Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. We're going to look at the Paddie electric strike here. This is your standard type of electric strike for commercial applications. The reason we're looking at this is because there is a part, now that there's all these fancy and large door jambs, this part here can actually be used to extend the lip. So if you're working on a particularly large door frame or the wall is in the way and things and you have to cut it out to make it look nice, you can actually just extend it. These extensions come in a variety of sizes. I believe it's 5, 15, 20, 25 and even up to 50. This one here we're looking at, I think it's 25 or 30. I'll just quickly measure it. 25. So that will increase the lip by about 25 mil. There's two little grommets here, you just need to dig them out. It has these roll pins here on this side, and then you can simply knock it in just like that. On a few occasions we've needed 50 or an odd size, and what we can actually do is we can take these roll pins out, drill straight through, and then use the next one on top. So you can join them together. It does take a little bit of drilling and work, but if you just want the stock standard ones, you simply add that to that, and that will make your electric strike bigger. So these are available from drlock.com.au. It's basically when you have to cut into a wall and there's gyprock and things like that around, and if you were to leave it exposed, it would look quite nasty. Sometimes the lock would be hitting it as well. So extending the electric strike lip makes for a nicer job and makes it look more professional. Okay, thanks for watching.